Galen, good morning. I got a video here. I pulled up this pump right here and got the battery charged, and it started, but now it's running a little bit off. So I pulled off the tank inlet and put in fresh fuel just in case maybe water got on the fuel. And then I unhooked the other side of the primer pump right here, and I'm pumping, and there's nothing squirting out of this primer pump. I tried bumping it as well. See, maybe if it's not on the lobe. And it's nothing coming out. Nothing's coming out. This is submerged. It's not bottomed out. It's like right there. So I don't know if this pump is faulty. It seems like it, because usually we get something. I tried turning it over. Maybe the cam would squirt it out. Nothing is coming out from this primer pump. Right here. Just letting you know, I'm sending you this video.